This is our tonoscope, with which you can make the human voice visible. You sing into it here, and the air passes through there, comes out here, and then you put different frames on it. Here, a six-sided figure. Then you take a natural rubber membrane, put into a frame, place it on here. Then, in this case, we use as indicator for the vibrations sand, and strew it lightly onto here. And now I'm going to sing into it. So everything is specific. If you have the same frequency and the same tension and the same indicator, you always get the same form. The higher the tone, the more complicated the form.